the pressures that we are seeing on our health system clearly indicate the need for decisive action. The curfew hour will remain at 8 p.m. nightly to 5 a.m. the following morning until March 23rd, 2021 at 5 a.m. Zoos, parks, gyms, attractions, and bars will be closed at 6 p.m. and this will continue in effect until the 22nd of March 2021. Let me be clear now. Only students who will be sitting exit examinations, meaning for the primary level would be the PEP and for the high school level would be CSEC and CAPE. So only those students would be permitted to have face-to-face instruction, and this will be the case from the 1st of March until the 22nd of March. The same rules that we are applying to the public schools will be applied to the private schools. Churches will be directed to engage in only online services for the next 3 weeks, except that we will permit 10 members to be within the church space to deliver the ceremony and do the necessary management of the communication equipment and so forth. We will continue to allow weddings, except that the cap that we had placed on weddings, which was 50, we have now halved that, so only 25 persons. Early last year, we instituted a measure which was work from home. The measure in the current orders encourages firms to make it possible for their employees to work from home where possible, where convenient. We are changing that order now. Starting Thursday, March 4, 2021, there must be a work from home arrangement in the public sector, and the permanent secretaries are directed to have only persons who work in critical service delivery and where the nature of the work performed requires that the job functions be performed at the physical office location. The new measures as it relates to funeral, effective the 8th of March to the 22nd of March, funerals and burials will be prohibited. We have given a directive to the municipal authorities that no burial orders should be issued. Let me explain what this means. So from the 1st to the 7th, funerals that were already scheduled, those funerals can go ahead, but they must conform with the rules under the Disaster Risk Management Act. 10 mourners and 5 inclusive clergy and attendants. 15, no more. The public gathering limit will remain at 10 persons until March 22nd, 2021. We did not seek to adjust that down any further. If we find that we are not hitting the plateau that we are expecting by virtue of the present measures, then you could see this number go down to 5. Public beaches, which are not under the direct control and management of an entity or authority, and rivers are closed until March 22nd, 2021. Everyone coming into Jamaica must present a negative COVID-19 test, which was conducted within 72 hours prior to the date of travel, and they must present this at check-in. We continue to restrict flights coming directly from the UK, and this will continue until the 22nd of March 2021. We have to take greater responsibility for our actions in the management of the pandemic. The government has to act in these ways, but these ways also kill the economy. If you act responsibly, then we will use these measures less.